Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to convert your Solana to USDT. So the first thing you have to do is to launch your Binance app this way. The next thing you have to do is to tap on your wallet. So this is my wallet. The next thing I have to do is to search for Solana. You can see it's the first one there. So if you must have a fund in your Solana balance in order to be able to convert it to USDT. So you have to search for the Solana that I have converted to USDT, which is in my own app here is the sixth one. So I just have to tap on it. Then the next thing I have to do is to go out from spot and tap on convert. So on convert, the position that shows for from should be Solana, and the next one should be the one that shows to should be USDT, because I want to convert my Solana to USDT. So I just have to search for Solana, tap on the arrow and search for Solana. Let me see if I'll see. So I'll just have to tap on Solana. Then the next one too should be USDT, because I want to convert my Solana to USDT. Then I have to tap on trade and make sure you enter the amount you're converting, or you can just tap on it and tap on the wallet that you wish to collect fund from for the transaction to take place and confirm on it. Next thing you have to do is to tap on trade and complete your verification. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.